In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to access members only videos on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. If you're trying to watch members only videos on YouTube, the key thing to understand is that they are locked behind a channel membership, so you can't view them unless you have joined that creator's paid membership. To get access, visit the YouTube channel you are interested in. Now head over to the section videos. Under that, you're gonna find this section of members only. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find the list of the videos that are set for members only. Over here, you're gonna find the option of join. Click on that. When you click it, YouTube will show you the available membership tiers and what each one includes. Once you pick a plan and complete the payment, you officially become a member of that channel. After that, you'll be able to view the videos that are set to members only. Another way to access this content is through the membership or community section on the channel page, where YouTube gathers exclusive posts, perks, and private videos in one place. As long as your membership is active, all those members only videos and perks will automatically unlock for you, just like a backstage pass to creators' content. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.